What the
No.
I am Daniel Madison, and I have a cat allergy. Look at this coin. Now, I don't usually perform or teach coin magic, but this is by far my favorite coin trick, and I'm going to teach it to you right now. The secret is, I have a pet cat called Lloyd Barnes helping me out. When the coin goes into my hand, all I have to do is summon Lloyd to help me out. Come on, Lloyd. Come on, Lloyd. That's it. Come on, Lloyd. Good girl. I am Daniel Madison, and that is the grab coin banish.
Want to know how magicians make coins disappear? Like how they actually just vanish literally in a second. Okay, so get this, don't tell anyone. When nobody's looking, I actually have a little friend that comes out and takes the coin away. Watch. I have a little assistant that comes out.
What the f***? Yo! Listen, I'm scared.
So this is how the magician makes a coin disappear. When nobody's looking, there's a little friend that comes out.
How do you do that? Cool. No. Do you know how you done that? Don't lie. You know how you done that? No.
The coin away just like this.